A new day, a new project. You see, I have this remote control. That's universal remote control with learning possibilities and so on. It helps me a lot when I have to fix different devices like this TV over here. So I really needed, to find a proper menu, stuffs and things like this. And there is a problem with some contacts, not all of them, but some of them. So I don't have anything else, like that carbon or silver glue or something, to restore the contacts, the pads, in fact. So I'm gonna try a different approach. If it's working, it should be interesting. I already tested without just a simple piece of aluminium foil. This is cooking aluminium foil or kitchen, I don't know. So what I want to try to do now is to have a little bit of double tape to keep those foils in place, because they have the tendency to get out from the contacts. So I don't know if it's working, so it's just experimental, but I like challenges, so why not? Okay. So first of all, I'm going to have a little bit of double tape to the contact, like this. I forgot to tell you, but before anything else, I've been cleaning everything with isopropylic alcohol, because we need a really clean surface over here for the double tape to get in place. Now, yes, you may say that this is not what I'm doing, but why not? Let's try. That's not okay. We didn't get to the tape. It was just another layer of paper. There we go. And now we should cut a little bit of this, not too much. Exactly how to fit the tape over there. There we go. It's looking good. Let's fix that, put that corner down, because we don't need anything else. Okay, next. Should be fine. Okay, there we go. Stick to the contact, please. Now let's have a piece of this. Oh yes, this is doubled, so we have to let's get the edges backwards like this, and I have another one. Oh, it's too much. Okay, perfecto. What's wrong with this tape? Have a double layer of paper or something? Perfect. And now let's have a piece of this. Maybe I should cut this little something over here. Yeah, perfect. Okay, I think we're done. Let's see the result. Put the things back together. So it's supposed to have a little screw over here. There we have it. Okay, 1878 support plus. Like I said, it's very useful for testing all kind of TVs and audio and VCRs and whatever. Not so much VCRs in the last years, let's face it. And let's see, we are on TV. It's not good. Yeah, we have a permanent contact over there, and this is not good. Open it up again and see what's happening. Okay. Let me check this without contacts. Oh, we still have here. Oh, this is weird. So it's not a matter of contact. I think it's a matter of cleaning these things here. I tried to have some graphite, you know, on these contacts, but the problem is not here, it's over here, the pads. Okay, let's check it now. And I also, let me clean this a little bit. It's okay now. Yes, we are good. See, we are okay now. Perfect. Let's put it back in the case. There we are. So we have this one. Perfect. This one is working, this one is working. Yes, everything is fine. Volume up. And let's give a try, let's see if it's working. And that's the way we can see the infrared LED working through a camera. Yes, look there. This is the LED over here. I let it open just to have this test. Okay, so everything is working fine. Let's set the channel up, channel down. Everything is fine. So my fix, it's looking like it's working. Well, that was just an idea. I don't know how long it will work, but for now I fix it. Thank you for now. I'll be back with some other projects. Don't forget to have fun and be safe. Bye bye.